This is a technical overview of the Gen 3 admin dashboard, also referred to as the Cloud Security Operations Center, or CSOC. This is a centralized platform designed for managing multiple Gen 3 deployments across Kubernetes clusters at enterprise scale. It is protected by Keycloak, so we can sign in with Keycloak. There is an infrastructure as code component where you can deploy to AWS using Terraform or CDK. There's integrations for Google Cloud and Azure that are community driven. So this is basically any infrastructure as code that can be containerized, can be ran from this dashboard. We can take a look at the different deployments to the clusters that we have onboarded already. Here you see our developer and QA environments, plus some of our commons deployed with Argo CD. There is a deployment wizard that you can follow that guides you through a setup to deploy the Helm charts with a nice stepping UI. You can choose to have your databases either externally in an RDS instance or with a local Kubernetes-based pod. You can choose which modules you'd like to deploy, and you would also be able to configure login options, authorization policies, workspaces, which give you access to Jupyter or any containerized research environments where you can specify custom containers and set different configuration options through this UI. In the end, you will get a full configuration file that will deploy this Gen 3 environment. Once an environment is deployed, you can also manage the day two operations, manage the health, update each deployment, and also dig into issues that are going on directly from this UI. It comes with a fully featured Kubernetes dashboard that lets you browse any Kubernetes resource. It also has integrations with the databases that Gen 3 builds on top of. So if for Elasticsearch, it lets you query and debug or troubleshoot your data from a centralized single pane of glass UI. And we have similar things for our Postgres databases as well. This is basically a way for you to spin up one or more Gen 3 environments quickly with the infrastructure, or bring your own infrastructure if you want to. You can create new agents and deploy them onto your own Kubernetes infrastructure.